Want to say hi?
Hello, hello.
Go ahead.
Ryan with Champion Cutting Tool here to discuss the plethora of cutting tool products that we have to offer. We're a 6th generation family owned business, been in business 125 plus years. High quality products from your carbide tipped large diameter hole cutters to USA made case hardened high speed steel drill bits. Full line of tap and dies, industrial grade drill and tap combos. Plethora of different reamers, from bridge reamers, maintenance reamers, step reamers.
Those are nice. I didn't know they made those yet.
Yep. Full line of metal, steel, stainless, and aluminum cutting saw blades. And a full plethora of magnetic drill press and annular cutter systems. From low profile, self-drilling, and quick change drill chuck adapters.
Oh, that makes convenience.
Mm-hmm.
Does that fit any of the models?
So just these two. So these two, it's just a quick change adapter.
Oh, that's nice.
And then for your different clearances, so same thing with the annular cutters. You know, you pop that out, pop your cutter right in. And then for your different throw and clearance.
Nice.
So in a matter of 30 seconds, you go from drilling to cutters to reamers. Move right on the job.
I don't miss reamers. But then we did them by hand.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Yeah, they get a little scary and a little dangerous.
These guys, like anything above a 5/8 and a regular chuck drill, you better hold on tight because that could take you for a nice little whirlwind of a ride. So then you raise it back up.
Nice.
Yeah. What's your YouTube channel?
Oh, Mark's Welding and Mechanical.
Okay. I'll have to give you a follow.
Did you give me a card yesterday?
I didn't because I'm out of them at the moment.
Oh. Yeah, just look up Mark's Welding and Mechanical Service. Abbreviate mechanical, abbreviate service. And there should be a picture of a white F550 crane truck that comes up. Here. The Lincoln guys just took a picture of my back. Yeah.
Is that you right there?
Yeah. Yep. I think I'm going to see if I can go grab a burger before they close.
You missed out yesterday.
I ate one before. They're good.
Did you? Okay.
See if I can grab one for the wife.
Yeah, why not?
Alrighty.
Hey.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Appreciate the time.
Yep. Have a good day.